Marjorie Taylor Greene, a Republican US representative seen in that report, said her heart is full and has been speaking to our correspondent Mark Stone.
I am overjoyed. My heart is really full and just absolutely thrilled that the Supreme Court justices overturned Roe versus Wade with their Dobbs ruling, and I think this is a real answer to prayer and the beginning of the real work for the life movement in America.
There's no question that it does divide the nation. The nation appears to be on edge at the moment. How do you bring the country back together with such a divisive ruling?
Well, I think if you really look at a lot of the polling, a lot of Americans support life and are against abortion, especially when
A lot support abortion rights as well.
Well, some do, yeah.
No, most apparently.
Well, you asked me how I feel about it, and I'm explaining to you. Many people support life, especially here in my home state in Georgia.
But your job as a politician is to bring people together. How do you do that after this?
My job as a representative is to support the Constitution, protect people's rights and freedoms, and abortion is not part of our Constitution.
And one last thing, Nancy Pelosi said today that there's an extraordinary contradiction, that at one level you can argue that it is a constitutional right to have a gun, but at the same time you can say that it's not a constitutional right to have abortion choice.
Nancy Pelosi doesn't really respect women's rights because she's interested in putting biological men in our sports and our bathrooms. So she doesn't
You're introducing
really stand
a
with
separate
women.
argument there. What about the answer to her suggestion that this is an extraordinary contradiction?
I don't agree at all. Protecting our gun rights gives Americans the right to defend themselves, and that protects life. And ending abortion also protects the life of the unborn, who can't protect themselves either. So whether we take away guns, we take away Americans' rights to defend themselves. And if we keep abortion like she wants, then we continue to kill innocent people in the womb.